Good morning, Sarvana. Better send the link in the group and tell them to join fast. Good morning, Shivatsan. Good morning, Tawfiq. Good morning, Hema. Good morning, Ajay. Good morning, Akash. Okay, so today we have a very long way today. More work is there today. Fine. So inform everyone. Good morning, Dharani. Inform everyone to join as fast as possible. Good morning, Madhu Mehta. Good morning, Janani. Good morning, S. Kavya. Good morning, Dharani. Good morning, Mustafa. Good morning, beta. Good morning, Nandini. Good morning, Kamya. Good morning, Annie. Yaini, good morning, beta. Kamya, S. Kamya. Good morning. Kaushika, Shri, Akshaya. V. Kavya. Good morning. Good morning, beta. Good morning. So from today we are going to start word problems. Okay, now based on two sections from their quadratic equation, they are asking question. First section we have done where the questions were exactly based on d greater than 0, d equal to 0 and d less than 0. So this part we have finished, beta. Now we are going towards solving the question. Deepak, good morning, beta. Kartika, good morning, beta. So everyone just understand, from today we are going to start word problems. Fine. Now just waiting. Good morning, Ajay. Good morning, Mohan. Good morning, Rahul. Good morning, Sudarshan. Where are you all? Arif, good morning. Nitesh, good morning. Prathamesh, good morning. Abhinami, good morning. Okay. Shri Bhavni, good morning. You'll be thinking how auntie is remembering who has not said good morning to auntie. Fine, beta. Let's start the questions. Now, beta, from here, 1 3 mark or right now, as the format is proceeding, either 5 mark question or 3 mark question. So, 5 mark 3 question will be there, and so that means what, beta? We will be checking more for 3 mark for these type of questions right now. Okay, Kartika, train related questions, 100% beta, train related questions. Same questions how you have done in linear equation in 2 variables, na beta. Now we will be solving it with 1 variable. Okay, and we will be trying to convert it into quadratic equation. And then beta, now you know discriminant, means how you are going to use discriminant and solve. Good morning, Arif. Good morning, Ajay. Good morning, beta. Now let's see. The first question is the sum of, I'll explain each and every part of the question and I will solve it with much details, these questions, because I know that one of this question is 100% going to come in the examination. So if we are knowing the CBSE format, we must know that from this section, one question every year it is coming. So that means I am going to handle this section very carefully. Okay, children, and you have to participate. Good morning, Sudarshan. I just took your name only, Sudarshan, just before 5 minutes only, beta, before 3 minutes. The sum of, now get ready, beta. Rahul, Mohan, Nitesh, Prathamesh, good morning, beta. The sum of these squares, Abhirami, good morning. The sum of the squares of two consecutive, the sum of the squares of two consecutive natural numbers is 313. Find the number. Okay, beta. So what is given in the question? In the question given is, they are telling sum of these squares. Sum means addition. So first important part, let us crack. So first, two natural numbers, consecutive natural number. You know what does consecutive means? Consecutive, first you have to understand, consecutive means one after the other. If someone will say me that 5 is a natural number, then find its consecutive number, then definitely I will be saying the next number can be 6. Okay, that means after, means one after the other. one after the other. You have to remember in your brain this part. Means here successive, consecutive, these words you have to understand. Means you know what is a successor, you know what is a predecessor. Predecessor means you have to go one step back. If what is the predecessor of 5, then you will say that predecessor means auntie which is exactly before 5. So 4 is the predecessor. And if I will say what is the successor of 6, successor means you have to exactly check which number will come after 6. Then you will say auntie the successor of 6 is 7. Okay, so this is what, this is predecessor. The predecessor means which is coming before 5 is predecessor. Means you have to subtract 1 from 5, you will be exactly getting the predecessor. And if you will be adding 1, here 1 is subtracted, here 1 is added. So here beta this is exactly coming as successor and this is 1 is coming as predecessor. And consecutive also means like successor only, means after this number what will be the immediate next number you are going to get. This is consecutive number, means one after the other. Now they are telling this time the numbers are natural number. So when they are saying natural number, that means once answer will come, we have to check that the number is positive or not, the number is coming fraction or not. That means what, natural number, in the pocket of natural number only these numbers are coming. Okay, in case if x value you are getting fraction or x value you are getting negative, that means all these two things do not belongs to natural number. Means they cannot come in this, they are not a part of this. So definitely belonging sign I have used. Means 1 by 2 is not a part of natural number, minus 3 is not a part of natural number. So that numbers will not be accepted. That numbers will not be accepted. Okay. So based on this important information, now let us start the question. So answer, good morning. Good morning Kartika, good morning Mohan, Rahul, good morning, Rashri, good morning. Very good. So you have exactly, Prathamesh, good morning beta. Equation, sum, formula, so many snacks, so little time. Beta, you will be able to do it 100%. Akash, just trust it. Trust yourself. You will be able to do. Only what you need is that you need guidance with it. After this, what you have to do. Just you need that part beta. Now look here. What we are going to do is first we will write let the number be x. Let the number be x. So you need successive number. After x, I told you, that's why I discussed successive or consecutive. Consecutive means one after the other. So beta, when I said after 5, 6 is coming, that means what you have done to 5. What you have done to 5? You said, you will say that auntie, I have added 1 to 5. Then it is coming 6. So that means beta, if your first number is x, what will be your second number? If your first number is x, what will be your second consecutive number? If first number is coming x, what is your second consecutive number? What is your second consecutive number beta? The second consecutive number will be, x plus 1. If first number is coming x beta, then its successor will become x plus 1, because successor of 7 is 8. That means you are adding 1 to it, then only. So here also, if any number is x, then its successor will become x plus 1. Now the condition says that, what is the condition they are asking? That sum of these squares, sum of these squares. Here never do this crime by writing x plus 1 whole square. Is it so? No. They are telling that sum of these squares, sum of these squares means now this number separate squares and then its sum. Separate square of these numbers and its sum is exactly going to give you 313. Now once we got this beta, now what we have to do, we will be writing x square. Now this is coming in formula a plus b whole square. So this one will come a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 313 beta. That means x square plus x square will become 2x square. Now plus 2x. Now beta plus 1 is there. Now this 313 will shift this side. Then 313 will become minus. So now it is coming minus 313 equal to 0. Okay. So now what you have, what number is there in your hand? 2x square plus 2x minus 312. Because beta from 313 1 is getting subtracted. So 312 is coming. Tawfiq understood this much? Tawfiq understood, tell me. Akshaya, everyone tell me understood. So they have given the answers also. Very good. So now beta, here you got this number. Now what I am doing, you know auntie, that auntie is very lazy and she need a simple calculation. For that what auntie will do is, she will cross all her limits because she is very lazy. So what she is going to do here is, she will be trying to find multiple of this. So 3, 1, 2, if I am finding multiple of this, what is coming? 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. That means 3 1 2 can be written as 2 into 1 5 6. Now what I am seeing here is 2 here also, 2 here also, 2 here also. So I will take out 2. So what left? X square plus x minus 156 equal to 0 beta. Now once we have done this part, now beta we know that any number, because now this 2 multiple, this factor and this part is exactly coming equal to 0. But we know that 2 is a number and 2 is a constant number, and constant number can never be equal to 0. So which part will become equal to 0 is x square plus x minus 156 equal to 0. So this part is exactly coming equal to 0. So now we will be using discriminant rule. Deepak, first time you are understanding this beta, so you will be having some problem. So Deepak, just try and understand beta, discriminant part we have exactly done discriminant part. Okay, so discriminant only we are using. Deepak, just one time see this beta, you will learn. Your friends will help you. I'll tell them to help you. Beta, minus 156 equal to 0. Now compare it with general equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That means beta, a coefficient. What is the coefficient of x here is 1. What is coefficient of b? B is 1. What is coefficient of c? That means minus 156. C part is coming minus 156. B part is coming 1. A part is coming 1. Now discriminant is saying, okay, discriminant is saying b square minus 4ac. So discriminant b square means 1 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 156. So here it will come beta 1 plus, now 4 will multiply to 156, 4 6 24, 4 5 20, 22, 4 1 4 1 4 5 6. So 624 plus 1 is 625, and 625 as you know it is nothing but 25 whole square. So once we got discriminant beta, once you got discriminant, now only one work left is x equal to minus b plus minus root under d by 2a. Now what is b beta? Here b is 1, so minus 1 plus minus root under 25 whole square by 2 into 1. So now two values are possible, minus 1 plus minus 25. Root under 25 square is 25 only beta, and 2. So one time it will come minus 1 plus 25 by 2, and next time it will come minus 1 minus 25 by 2. What I told you that negative answer we have to avoid. X equal to 24 by 2 and minus 26 by 2. Cancel this one, it is coming 12, it is coming 13. So here x equal to minus 12 answer will come, since minus 13 is not a natural number, and in the question it is given natural number. So if one number is 12, what will be the another number? Absolutely correct beta. What will be the another number? The another number will come 13. If one number is 12, then another number will come 13. Let me see my children how they have attempted the question. So wow, super, very good performance beta. You have exactly x plus 1, absolutely correct. Auntie, I'm getting imaginary number. Imaginary number no Arif. You check one more time beta. Janeti 12, 13, Kamya, Kartika, Mehrunisa, Saran, Kartika, Muhammad Arif. Arif also get 12, 13. Super Arif. Super, you said you got any. Auntie, what would happen if we took plus 1 to RHS side? Beta, I'll tell you Annie what will happen. I forgot minus symbol 156 and didn't get to solve it. That is what beta, sometimes this happens, don't worry at all. Now focus should be there. I hope everyone might have understood, but I'm going to explain it one more time. Don't not at all worry about anything. Now look here, word problem means we have to solve it with much importance, part. So look here, Annie, your question I am going to solve. Everyone understand? Deepak, understand this part beta. This is your first class today. Videos are available, Deepak. I will be needing some of your friends to help you. Okay, now beta, x square plus x plus 1 whole square 313 is there. So according to the question we got this one. Then what we have done, we have exactly used here a plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square formula. What is a plus b whole square formula? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Based on this formula beta, we just opened this one, and after opening any, if you will shift 1 that side, but you will be exactly getting 313 minus 1. So it will come 312, but ultimately Annie, again you have to shift this 312 this side, then again beta it will become minus 312. Okay Annie, that means you have to take everything in one side. Annie, just understand one time beta, whatever things are there you have to change it in one side, and once you will be changing it that side, then beta you will be getting the content. So here minus 312 is needed. You have to exactly create a change this side. So when it will come in quadratic format, then only you can solve na beta. So to bring in quadratic format, whatever constant or variables are there, you have to shift everything one side. So that's why beta I shifted 313 this side. Now beta it is coming in quadratic format. But what I am seeing here is 2, 2, and this is exactly divisible by 2. So that's why I got one factor of 2. And then I took out 2 and I said that how can 2, a non-zero number, will be equal to 0. So 2 will not be equal to 0. Then the remaining part will become equal to 0. Once you have written the remaining part equal to 0 beta, now I have used discriminant. Okay, you know the logic. And for this only beta I have exactly changed everything in one side. I just put everything in one side because of this change only. Headache is coming. Now look here beta, a is exactly coming equal to 1, b is exactly equal to 1, c equal to minus 156. Then beta discriminant is b square minus 4ac. After solving you got discriminant as 25 square. Okay, and then you know the formula, x equal to, formula you are knowing, formula is x equal to minus b plus minus root under d by 2a. D you got 25 square. So now this much part. Deepak, understood anything beta? Deepak, understood anything? Mohan, Deepak, Rahul, today you are only absent. Rest of all my children are present today. Abhirami and Rahul, good morning to you. Last time I am saying good morning. Shri Bhavani, Rahul and Abhirami, 3 of you. See, Abhi, if you are there in the group, better quickly respond. I am present. I'll beat you. You have not said me good morning today. You are not able to factorize. Okay Ajay, let's factorize and solve also. Rahul, you are really playing with auntie? Seriously beta? You are there in the group, but I was not knowing you are there. So definitely you were wanting me to call out your name and then you will be saying, huh? Super. Deepak, understood beta? Okay. By factorization also it is possible beta. How to do it by factorization? Now look here. 156 equal to 0. Fine. Okay, Deepak, I know that you have not done quadratic beta and we are in the middle part of the chapter. Okay, Deepak. So, beta, today you just try to understand whatever you will not be understanding. You just ask me personally. I am going to explain this part. But beta, quadratic videos are available in the group beta. You just go through that video and wherever you will not be understanding, ask. Okay. So, Darshan, I can factorize auntie, but my doubt isn't it clarified. What doubt is not clarified beta? One time you say your doubt. Rahul, auntie, there was a small internet error here, auntie. I was fixing that. Oh, no problem, beta. I was not knowing because I am very used to of your answers. So I want all my children to be present, and that is my greed. 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 16. Now 3 is there, 1 3. Now beta, if you want to factorize from here, what you have to do? 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Coming, you need plus x here. Here it is 13 and 12. If what factors you got? 156 divided by 2, 78 came. 2 dividing 78, 39 came. 39 dividing 3, 13 came. So beta, what are the factors? Your factor is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. But most important thing is what you have to bring here beta. You have to bring here plus x. So what change you will do so that you can get plus x? So we can do here x square plus 13x minus 12x minus 156 equal to 0. Minus 156 equal to 0. So this is what is needed here. Okay, so now beta take x common, it will become x plus 13 minus 12 common, it will become x plus 13 equal to 0. So directly it is coming x is equal to 12 and minus 13. So by factorization also, but you must know factorization. You must, it didn't satisfy the equation. Oh, it is not satisfying the equation? Seriously, Saran? Sorry, Sudarshan? 12 is not satisfying the equation. Let me check beta quickly. Now look here, how to check that it is satisfying the equation or not. Now look here, first we know that minus 13 is not going to, because minus 13 is not a natural number. So this is not possible. So your final answer is coming x is equal to 12. Okay, x is equal to 12. Now beta, once you got x is equal to 12, what you have to do? Now next number, so next number will come x plus 1, that is 12 plus 1. You just have to add 1 in that number. The next consecutive number will be 12 plus 1, that will become 13 beta. So here it is coming 13. Now according to the question, they gave this equation. They gave this equation, Sudarshan. The equation was beta, equation was here, that is x square plus x plus 1 whole square equal to this much. So beta, after solving, your answer should come 313. If this is not coming, that means our answer is wrong. Okay, so first what we will do, whatever x value, don't see this part, we are checking that our answer coming is correct or wrong. So here 12 square plus 13 square. So 12 square is 144, 13 square is 169. 9 plus 4, 13, 6 plus 4 plus 1. 313 is coming, Sudarshan. Why you scared me, dear? What Ajay was telling is satisfying na? Beta, I think you might have done any calculation mistake, because beta 12, once you will be getting 12 na Sudarshan, just you have to implement that. And what Ajay said is exactly, means discriminant once you will be doing, you will be getting the concrete answer. Means 12, once you are getting, if you have not done mistake in finding discriminant, that time it will be exactly beta, that answer will be exactly correct only. Okay, so thank you Ajay, thank you. No. Friends are always for help. Friends will always help you. We are working as a team and our work is to exactly help each other and beta study. So here most important part is that you must understand. Beta, because once upon a time I was also like you and I was also struggling to learn. So beta, now I hope you might have understood. I hope you might have understood this part, what you have done. Only beta, you form the equation, then convert it into quadratic. After bringing in the quadratic format, compare it with general equation. What is the general quadratic equation? General quadratic equation is this one beta, that is ax square plus bx plus c. Now beta, here when you are writing x square plus x minus 156, Deepak just one time see here beta, ax square. Children, just for Deepak one time I am telling this one. Now look here Deepak, here beta, a will become equal to 1, b will become equal to 1, whatever coefficient is there na beta, that you have to take, and c will be equal to minus 156. So here a I wrote equal to 1, that is coefficient of x square, b is 1 and c is 1 minus 156. Then this is discriminant formula beta. In that you just have to, just formula is d is b square minus 4ac. So b is 1 minus 4 into this part a into c, multiplied, you got d value, and then beta, this is the formula through which you can find x value. That is, the formula is x equal to minus b plus minus root under d by 2a. There you have to write b value, here you have to write a value, and here you have to write discriminant value. Just implemented all this value beta and got the equation. Okay. Okay, let's go for next question beta. Let's go for next question. This question came in CBSE. This question came in CBSE. Okay, and the question is, this question came in CBSE 2 times, beta. But old is gold. Means after 2000 they asked 2005. After that they never asked. Question is the sum of two numbers. The sum of two numbers is 15. Okay. If the sum of its reciprocals if the sum of its reciprocals is 3 by 10, find the number. If the sum of its reciprocal is 3 by 10, find the number. So exactly, beta, what you have to do here? What you have to do here is you have to just find the reciprocal. Is it buffering? Check, beta. Check, is it buffering? No, it's not buffering at all. Now look here, beta. Just first understand what is asked in the question. In word problems, na beta, most important thing is like you have to catch what they are telling, and then you will be able to solve. So first part of the question, first we will focus in first part of the question. First part of the question is saying the sum of two numbers is 15. Sum of two numbers is 15. Means two numbers are there. If two numbers are there, okay, so we don't know what are that numbers. So first number and second number. When you have added these two numbers, what you are getting? You are getting 15. So if first number, we will take this first number as x. Then what will be the second number? Then second number will become x plus second number equal to 15. So second number will become 15 minus x. I hope you might have understood this one. When two numbers you are adding, when two numbers, Rahul gave the answer, very good. When two numbers, okay, how many of you have given the answer? Super. Ajay, Yaini, Sharan, Sinchan, Akash, Janani, Rahul. Thank you so much, dear. Okay, so now beta, first number plus second number is coming equal to 15, beta. That means sum of two numbers. When two numbers you are adding, it is coming as 15. So beta, if first number you are taking it as x, then second number will become what? So second number will become 15 minus x. Okay, so if you will be writing it as 10 plus 5 equal to 15, then you know now beta, second number how you got? 15 minus 10. 15 minus 10 will give you 5 na. So that is what? So first number plus second number will be equal to 15. So if first number is x, second number will become 15 minus x. So now we know this part. Now we have to start from the next section. So what is there is, let the number be, God bless you beta, thank you so much. Let the number be x, then the second number be Mohan solved, Mustafa understood, Taufik understood. Tell me beta, let the next number be 15 minus x. Now I hope you have understood na beta how 15 minus x came. How 15 minus x came? Now first number plus second number is equal to 15. If first number we have taken x, then second number will become 15 minus x. And beta, since we just want to solve it by quadratic equation, we just want to keep it in one variable only. Okay beta. So now what is there? Second part. Now first part of the question we have cracked. We have exactly took that, okay, the number is x and the second number is 15 minus x. Now the second part, what they are telling beta, if the sum of its reciprocal is this. Reciprocal means what? If someone will tell you a, find what is the reciprocal of a, then you will say, auntie, reciprocal of a is 1 by a. Reciprocal of a is 1 by a. And this is what beta, they are telling sum. Sum means plus. Sum means plus. Sum means plus. Sum of its reciprocal means reciprocal of x and reciprocal of this one. Means these two numbers reciprocal, if you will add, you will be getting 3 by 10. That means now beta, reciprocal of x is 1 by x and beta 15 minus x. Reciprocal of 15 minus x is 1 by 15 minus x beta. Now after finding it, Tawfiq understood or not beta? Quickly say Tawfiq. Now you have to just add this 2 beta and sum of it. See, and this part is coming 3 by 10. So this is the only equation you have to find beta. This is the only equation, that is sum of the reciprocal. First what we got? We got the 2 number. First number is x, second number is 15 minus x. Then they told that what is the reciprocal? Sum of its reciprocal means find the reciprocal of it, add it. When you will be adding, you will be getting 3 by 10. Wow, super. Everyone got the answer? Janani, Saran, Kavya, Arib, everyone got the answer. Super beta. Super. Merunisa, Tawfiq understood. Super Tawfiq. Thank you so much beta. Deepak just tried to understand beta. Super Janani. Absolutely correct. I couldn't get approach for any sum auntie. I couldn't get approach for any sum auntie. What happened? What happened here? Just one time say beta. Now Saran, I'll just, Sudarshan, I'll solve this. So this part is coming beta. So here 15 minus x is coming plus x. Now beta 15x and 15 minus x will multiply beta. And this part is coming 3 by 10. Once you will be getting this part beta, so plus x and minus x will get cancelled. Sudarshan, you should not have any doubt beta. What happened? Tell me. So now 15 by x into 15 minus x. Ajay solved, Arif solved, Arif, Prathamesh. So now beta, we will multiply this side. It is coming 150, 15 into 0, 150. Now 3x, 15 minus x. And you know how much lazy auntie is? Auntie is very lazy. Auntie is seeing one thing, that 150 is divisible by 3 and 3x is also divisible by 3. So what auntie did is, both side auntie divided it by 3. So once we will be both side dividing it by 3 beta, what will be coming? Here 3 5s are 15, 0 and 3. So beta, that means now you are getting 50 equal to x 15 minus x. So that means we have saved ourselves from many things. Now 50 equal to 15x minus x square. Now I told you na Annie what we have discussed, that whenever we have whenever understood. First one auntie, yes Ajay, I know you have got the answer. Arif also got the answer. Okay Arif, one equation dear. Arif, Deepak understood this part beta. Now shift this one this side. Abhirami, x square minus 15x plus 50. Prathamesh. So now look here beta. So 50. First we'll try to solve it by factorization. So now we have to bring 50 beta. 10 and 15. Easily it is coming minus 10x minus 5x plus 50 equal to 0 beta. So x minus 10 is coming, minus 5, x minus 10 is coming equal to 0. So x is coming beta 5 and 10. So x is coming 5 and 10. So if first number is 5, second number is coming 15 minus 5, so it is coming 10 beta. So numbers are 5 and 10. Okay. You couldn't get approach from any sum. I didn't understood one time beta. Deepak understood, tell me. Arif, one time, Sudarshan, please tell beta, I didn't understood what you are saying. I didn't understood. Now beta, you can solve it by factorization. If you have still problem in factorization, then same question beta, you can solve the same question by discriminant form. Now what is discriminant form? You have to take this equation. Once you are getting this equation, so if you don't know how to factorize, then examination you cannot sit and keep on thinking now that what next. Rather than thinking what next, we have to take step and we have to solve it as fast as possible beta. So what you are going to do, you will be writing x square minus 15x plus 50 equal to 0. Now compare it with general equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now a, what is the coefficient of x square beta? A is coming as 1. B is coming as minus 15. You see B, and compare this one, coefficient of x square. B is coming as minus 15 and C equal to 50. Now beta, discriminant formula. b square minus 4ac. That means what is b beta? 15 square minus 15 square minus 4 into 1 into 50 beta. That means 15 square is 225 minus 4 5s are 20, 200. So beta overall you are getting 25. D is coming as 25. Now x formula is minus b plus minus root under d by 2a. So b is what beta? Minus 15. So minus of minus 15. B value is minus 15. You see here b value minus 15. So minus of minus 15 plus minus root under 25 by 2 into 1. So beta it will become 15 plus minus square root of 25 will give you 5 by 2. So one time you have to 15 plus 10. 15 plus 5 will become 20. So one time it will become, now one time, now x2 values will come 15 plus 5 by 2 and beta 15 minus 5 by 2. So here it is coming 20 by 2 and here it is 10 by 2. So definitely beta the numbers coming is 10 and 5. I hope my children might have understood. Mustafa, auntie, how to conditions? No auntie, we should mention both of them because we don't know what is the right answer. Now look here beta, mostly what happens na, Deepak understood beta? Deepak, very good Deepak, God bless you beta. Prathamesh understood, thank you so much beta, God bless you both of you. Now listen, see here Arib, you know, now when these type of questions are coming na beta, you will be seeing that whatever value of x is coming na, it will be the answer only. Like if you will interchange, if you want to show it also, like you got number 5 and 10. You got number 5 and 10, first number and second number. The moment you got this number na beta, you just have to say that, if you want to show it, just say that first number is, if x equal to 5. So if you have means fear that they will cut marks, because we know one very important thing beta, that if they will be going for full 80 out of 80 means definitely they will be searching the loophole where you might have done mistake, or if 79.5 will be coming, then they will be searching your mistakes. So definitely when you will be going for full mark, there they will search your mistake. And I know you have fear for that point, that if they will cut marks. No beta, here if you are taking first number as 10, then second number will come, first number as 10, then second number will become 15 minus 10, 5. Or if you are taking first number as x, first number as 5, then second number will become 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. It will not take more time, but you can explain this one if you have fear like they will be cancelling marks. Okay, so definitely beta, you just represent that, okay, one time if x is coming, first number is 5, then second number is coming 10. If first number is 10, then second number is coming 5. And here beta x2 values, these type of question beta, they will give you the answer. They will itself, the numbers what came will be the answer. And beta, how to check this one? How to check this one that your answers are correct? You know how to check this one? What is your equation beta? What is your equation? Your equation is this one na beta. Your equation is 1 by x plus 1 by 15 minus x. So here what answer you got? What answer you got? You just have to put here. So here it is exactly your x, 1 by x plus 1 by 10. So now beta, it will come 10 plus 5 by 50, that is 15 by 50, that is 3 by 10. So your answer is absolutely correct. Your answer is absolutely correct. Presentation is totally in your hand beta. Presentation is totally in your hand. And CBSE needs presentation. They want you to write it in such a way, neatness, presentation, well means maintained answer they need. Okay, and sometimes some steps if you will jump also and your presentation is very awesome, then it will be overlooked. Okay, but it's after that beta, not now. Fine. Ready children for next question? Next question came in CBSE 2014. Okay, 2014 they have asked this question. This is NCERT question also, and they have asked in 2014. And this question is, they have asked in 2014 this question beta. Now find two consecutive find two consecutive odd positive integer. Odd positive integer. So definitely beta, here you have to be very careful. Integer, odd positive integer. When they will be asking this, you have to answer this only. Odd positive integer. Find two consecutive odd positive integer. Odd positive integer. Integers, sum of whose squares. Sum of whose squares. That means beta, again you have to square it and then you have to sum it. Sum of whose squares means sum of numbers squares is equal to 290. So those who have understood, just start solving the question, and those who have not understood, you have to understand one simple thing beta. Here they are asking odd positive integer. Beta, how to see positive integer you can present. For positive integer, if someone will say, you will say that auntie, two consecutive positive integer can be represented like this also. Yes beta, two consecutive positive integer can be written, but here one word they have added, and that word what they have added is odd. Now this makes things very special beta. This makes things very special. Now right now what is having two consecutive odd positive integer. So now odd word is added. That means what number we are going to write, it will always give us odd number. It will always give us odd number. Now beta, that number will be, which type of number always be will be exactly odd. So that number which will always be odd is 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 3. These numbers. Now you put beta any value of x you put. Just check this one. Is it always coming odd or not? Just trust me. If any even number is added with 1, even number plus 1 is always odd. Even number plus 3 is always odd. Even plus odd is always odd. Even plus odd is always odd. So this should be kept in your mind, that you have to straight away show one very important thing, that okay, I know the entire process and I'm just playing with the process only. So I just took that number which will always be odd. Which will always be odd. So here 2x plus 1. Now no matter what value of x you are going to put, just put here x equal to 0. Instead of this x, the moment you will put it equal to 0, what you are getting? 1. The moment you are putting x equal to 1, then here it will come 3. So that means what beta, whatever value of x you will put, these numbers will always be odd. That means even plus 1 is odd. Even plus 3 number is odd. And that is what beta. So your number should be very cleverly selected. And here number selection is, we have selected two odd positive integer. So let the numbers be 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 3. It is always odd beta. Now square, sum of its squares. Sum of its squares means sum of its square. Square of this number is this one beta. Square of this number is this one. Fine. And the sum of its square is 290. That's it. Sum of its square is 290. Now children, try this question. Oh, super, fabulous. Ajay is on a hat trick, I guess, because previous question also Ajay has solved it first, and this question also Ajay has solved it first, then Rahul has solved, and then Janani. Okay, very good. Rahul gave the equation also and then solved also. Super beta. Then Saran has given the equation. Saran, very good beta. Madhumita has given the answer. Super. So this is what I am just needing beta. Now look here. It is coming in a plus b whole square format. This is again coming in a plus b whole square format. So what we are going to do beta? We will be writing, this one will become a square plus 2 into 2x. Next question will be a square plus b square plus 2ab. And then beta, a square. Annie understood beta? Kamya, Janani, Kartika, everyone understood or not? Akshaya, tell me children, fastly tell. Auntie understood or not understood? Quickly say beta. Everyone understood now why I have written 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 3 beta? Nandini, Prathamesh, everyone tell, understood now? Till here understood now beta? Now beta, just nothing you have to do here. A plus b whole square format open beta. A plus b whole square format open beta. Now just solve. 2x whole square means 2 to the 2x whole square means 2x will be written how many times beta? 2x will be written 2 times beta. So it will come 4x square. How much it will come beta? It will come 4x square. It will come how much beta? It will come 4x square plus 1 plus 2 to the 4x plus again beta this one will become 4x plus 9 plus 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12x equal to 290. Now that means what beta? 4x square plus 4x square. 4 plus 4 will become 8x square. And now here beta 4x plus 12x will become 16x. And here beta 9 plus 1 will become 10. Now we have to shift 290 this side. So minus 290 equal to 0 beta. So now it is coming 8x square. Akash, are you there? Minus 280 equal to 0. Now beta, do you have any idea what we are going to do from here? I want to take out 8. I want to take out 8. Let's see. Till here I have taken out 8. 280, is it divisible by 8? 8 1 j 2 j 16, 8 3 is 24. 40, 8 5 is 40. So 35 is coming. So if I will take out 8, so 35 will come. So that means what beta? Whatever common factor was there I have taken out. 280 is written as 8 into 35. So that's why beta I have taken out 8 outside. Now we know that 8 cannot be equal to 0. 8 cannot be equal to 0. Since 8 cannot be equal to 0 beta, that means x square plus 2x minus 35 will become equal to 0. Now it is totally up to your wish which one you want. You need to factorize it, because both method I am going to show it to you. Both method I am going to show it to you beta. Both method I am going to show it to you. Where is... Okay, Akshay, everyone understood now beta solving? Now look here beta, both method 35 will be written as what beta? 35. 5 7s are 35. 5 7s are 35. Here what we need is plus 2. So we know that when 7 minus 5 we will do, you will get 2. So x square plus 7x minus 5x minus 35 equal to 0. So take x common, x plus 7 minus 5, x plus 7 equal to 0. So that means beta you got x value as minus 7 and 5, because you have to take positive integer, positive odd integer. Positive odd integer. So minus 7 is not positive odd integer, it is negative odd integer. Okay, so x is equal to 5 answer. X is equal to 5. Now you got only x. This is not the number beta. You have got only x. Minus 7 cannot be taken as it is given number is odd positive integer. Okay beta, so now what your question, what your answer will come here? The numbers were, what you have taken the number 2x plus 1. So now 2 into x value you got is 5. So here 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 1. So 2 into 5 plus 1, that is number is coming, first number is coming 11. 2 into 5 plus 3. So beta here it is coming 13. See, consecutive number came now. After 11, which is the odd number? 13 is the odd number. So this answer came. Now if you will say, auntie, we don't know how to factorize. Without factorization, can we solve it by discriminant method? Because 35, how you have written 7 and 5, it is pretty confusing. Then shall we solve this question by discriminant method? So I'll say yes, you can solve it by discriminant method. What you need to do is take this one, that is x square plus 2x minus 35 equal to 0. Compare it with general equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. You know this method better. What is coefficient of x square? Nothing written means 1. So a will become equal to 1, b will become equal to 2. Yes, x can be anything. Here answer x is coming now. This x will be odd, and odd into 2, even plus 1 is odd. Now c is coming as minus 35. Now beta, what is discriminant method? If anything is fixed, and that is discriminant method. All the process what you will do now beta, it will be fixed. So b square minus 4ac. What is b? b is 2. 2 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 35. So that is what same question one time I have solved by factorization method. Now this time I am solving it by discriminant method. So 4 5s are 20, 4 3 are 12, 13, 14. So 144 you are getting. D you are getting 144. 144 is nothing but beta 12 square. So now what will be the value of x? Again same formula, plus minus root under d by 2a. So what is b beta? b is 2. So here it will become minus 2 plus minus root under 12 square by 2 into 1. So one time it will become minus 2 plus minus 12 by 2. So one time it is coming minus 14 by 2. One time it is coming 10 by 2. So 5 minus 7. Same answer you got or not? X equal to minus 7 and 5. After factorization also you got x equal to minus 7 and 5. After using discriminant also you got x equal to minus 7 and 5. And beta, you cannot take minus 7. Same process. Whichever you, Ajay, we do. Akash. His name is Akash beta. His name is Akash. Okay, sometimes Janani is also coming by Sinchan name. Or Arif is coming by Sinchan name. Or Akash is coming by Akash name. So it's Akash beta. His name is Akash. Once he told me his name. So I know him beta. Now look here. X is equal to minus 7 and 5. So 5 is coming. Oh, it's really. Seriously? No, Rahul, you are not going to do that. Then I will mark you absent. And you know that in that group your father number is also there. If it will be absent, then sir will definitely ask, Rahul was absent? Then I'll say I was not knowing Rahul was present or absent. Then you think what will happen to you. Just not kidding, but just kidding. Now let's solve the last question for today, beta. So we got this number. This question came in 2016. No, I'm not going to give this number to you. Easy question I'll give. Today easy. Yes, he's Akash only. I know him. The difference of the square, the difference of the squares of two numbers is 45. Okay, of two numbers is 45. The square, let's see who will solve it fast. Ajay is on a hat trick. And that's why I am giving this hat trick breaking question. The square of the smaller number is 4 times the larger number. 4 times the larger number. Find the numbers. Come on, solve it fast. The difference of the square of two number is 45. The square of the smaller number is 4 times the larger number. The square of smaller number is 4 times the larger number. The square of smaller number is 4 times the square of larger number. The square of smaller number is 4 times the larger number. Yes, Akash, better. These children, you all are playing. Fine, beta. Now listen. What I am seeing here is Annie has given the answer and Rahul has given the answer first. 9 and 16. Then Janani. Where is Ajay? Ajay. Now look here, beta. The difference of squares of two numbers. Squares of two numbers. So two numbers are there, and its difference equal to, so square of, so if two numbers are there, we don't know what are the two numbers, first number and second number, and its difference, square of its difference is exactly 45. So two numbers are there and its square and difference, the square of the two numbers and its difference means minus. So first you have to do square of first number, and then you have to do square of second number, and then you have to subtract, and this is equal to 45. So this is the strategy, beta. This we have to bring. And the second part of the question, they are saying the square of smaller number is 4 times the larger number. The square of smaller number is 4 times the larger number. 4 times the larger number. What is the square of smaller number? So what can be the smaller number? So first what we will do, let the number be x. Okay, then they are telling the square of smaller number. Let the smaller number be x, and it will become 4 times the larger number. Is it true? Is it true, beta? 4x and x square. This question is slightly, beta, slightly. Some part of it is exactly like this only. The square of smaller number, the square means what you have to do, the difference of two number is 45. So two number difference is 45. Just understand one simple thing here, beta. You go by this, two number is there. So x minus y is equal to 45. Fine. So if first number is x and second number is y, then x minus y is 45. Okay, and here you take x is greater than y, then only, beta, its difference is exactly. Then they are telling square of its. So first don't see the equation, just think about this. That is x square minus y square. If two numbers are x and y, then two numbers are x and y. If two numbers are x and y, then square and its difference is 45. Square and its difference is 45 if x is greater than y. Okay, beta. So now what you are going to do, you will say, auntie, we can do one thing. We can write x square minus 45 is equal to y square. So that means now, auntie, since y is a smaller, x is bigger number and y is smaller. So now, beta, this part is there. No problem is there in the question. Now, beta, this one, write like this, you write. Right, like this you write, you will absolutely give the correct answer. See here, the first part of the question I just cracked. Just listen to me one time. So now I am writing, let the number be x and y. Trust me, just one time. Let the number be x and y. Now x is greater than y. That means x is a bigger number and y is a smaller number. Then in the first part they are telling the difference of the square of two numbers is 45. Difference means minus. Square of this two number equal to 45. You got 1 point. Okay. So that means x square minus 45 equal to y square. You got one equation. Fine. Now second part is telling the square of smaller number is 4 times the larger number. Square of smaller number is 4 times the larger number. You have taken larger number x, na beta. You have taken larger number x. So square of smaller number 4 times the larger number. So this is your second equation. Now from equation 1 and equation 2, shall we substitute y square? The moment you will substitute y square, beta, here no problem is there in the question. Here no problem is there in the question. The question is crystal clear here. Only your problem is you have to take it positively, beta. You have to take it correctly. So what I have done is, here I have taken two variables because I was knowing that, beta, you will get confused. Thank you so much. Start playing. Now look here, beta. So here the square of two numbers is 45. Square of two numbers means, beta, here first number you take x, second number you take y. X is greater than y means first number you have, whatever number you have taken, one number is greater than y. So here, beta, x is greater than y. Now what is there in the question? That square of the numbers, difference of the numbers. So that is difference of the square of the number. So the bigger number is x and smaller number is y. So definitely, beta, x square minus y square will become 45. So now y square, we got one equation. Then the second part of the equation is clearing everything. The second part of the question is making things crystal clear, and that it is exactly telling that, the second part is telling that the square of the smaller number is 4 times the larger number. That means if y is the smaller number, then square of y is 4 times the larger number, and x is the larger number we have taken. So y square will be equal to 4x. Tell me quickly, you have understood the equation or not, beta? Yes, correct only. Next class will be that time only, beta. Children, quickly say, beta. Good morning, Ashish. As promised, I am going to send you my number, Ashish. Contact me in my WhatsApp. Okay, I hope you might have understood. After this, I am going to delete it. Just note down as fast as possible, Ashish. After that, I am going to remove my number. Now look here, and you tell me which class you are. I'll definitely help you, beta. Now x square minus 4x minus 45 is there. Once you got this equation, beta, 45 is what? 45 is written as 5 and 9, beta. 5 9s are 45. You need minus 4 here. So x square minus 9x plus 5x minus 45 equal to 0. So x minus 9 plus 5, x minus 9 equal to 0. So x you are getting as minus 5 and 9. So definitely, beta, if x is 9, then what will be the second number? Y square is equal to 9 into 4, 36. Y square is equal to 36. So y will be equal to plus minus 6. Oh bhai, y is coming as two numbers, beta. Y is exactly coming as two numbers. One is coming plus minus. X is coming as 9 and minus 5. Y is coming as plus minus 6. So definitely two numbers will be checked. Fine. So this is exactly y will be coming as plus minus 6, and then, beta, you have to find the value. One time answer will come 9 and 6, and one time answer will come 9 and minus 6. Okay, Ashish? You don't take the value because square of the positive number is there, beta. Square of the numbers, the difference of the square of two numbers, we can take minus 5 also. Minus 5 is not possible. It is not going to satisfy. So you take minus 5 also and try and check, beta. Akshay, it is coming really negative. Okay, very good. Akshay is telling it is coming imaginary. Okay, then don't take minus 5, beta. You put here minus 5 and check, is it going to satisfy the part or not. If minus 5 is not satisfying, beta, then you only have to take x is equal to 9. Then this one is not taken. Then y is coming as plus 6 and minus 6. Okay. Then y is coming as plus 6 and minus 6. Okay, Ashish, no problem, beta. Just tell me which class you are in. I'm definitely, oh, you are in 9. Fine, Ashish, no problem, beta. No problem. So, beta, we are going to keep it till here. Ajay, everyone, bye, beta. Bye everyone, bye everyone. We will meet today 120, beta. 120 we will meet today. Okay, bye, beta.